thinking of different themes to come up with for days of the week to create videos. So I think one of the first ones I want to do is, we're going to call it Tool Tuesday. So Tool Tuesday will include either sharing a new tool, sharing an old tool, sharing a new to me tool, tool restoration, or something tool based. So here we go. We're going to do the first episode of Tool Tuesday, and let's get started. Alrighty, appreciate you sticking around, and here we go. So I got this little box of stuff from a local antique flea market, yard sale type place, and let's pick through and see what we got. Start off with right here. I'm not sure if this goes with this, but this is how it was sitting when I got it. Some type of a little lamp. I'm going to guess it's probably an oil lamp of a sort. Not really sure what this is here. This looks like some type of a pump. And there's a little tube here with this little cup. And then this guy here is like a wick adjuster, but it actually doesn't adjust the wick. Take that out. It's got a big old giant rope wick in there. And when you turn that knob, it raises the whole thing up. So I'm not sure if we can get that on there. It's Landers, Prairie, Clark, New Britain, Connecticut, USA. So I'm going to Google that and see what comes up. If anybody recognizes that, I appreciate you letting me know. So next we got this really cool. I was wanting one of these. This is a spoke shave. It's made out of wood. So that's pretty cool. Not sure if that's homemade or what. Couple of thumb oilers. I'm a sucker for thumb oilers. I really like thumb oilers. I have a handful of them and I use them. Next, I was really excited about this. It's an old ruler. I like it because if you notice, it only has inches. There's no centimeters. And next is a soldering iron. I collect the soldering irons. They kind of go along with my blow torches that I collect. Been wanting one of these. It's $1. It's really cool. This guy here, the soldering iron, also $1. So I'll be doing a restoration on that. He needs to be straightened a little bit. He's all kinds of wonky, and the handles need to be gone over. Stanley awl. Not sure the wood plane, but I've been wanting one of these. The cam lock, the thumb tab is busted off, but otherwise in good working condition. So it needs a good cleaning and a sharpening, I'm sure. So I was real tickled with that. I'll tie all this in later on. I collect old tools. I don't fix too many of them up. I like to clean them up, get them in working order, but I don't do too many restorations. But I'll do another video next Tuesday and go over my collection that I use and fill you all in on that. And then I've also got, this is really cool, brace auger bits. A whole set of them and a tool roll. There's a few missing, but for the most part, it's all there. A couple flat blade bits, and this one here, and also a countersink bit.